Hey girls, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for returning to my loyal subscribers. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be updated anytime I upload a new wig review, okay? If you're interested in the wig that I am currently wearing, I'll post a link above. Today's wig is by Style Plus. This was sent to me by samsbeauty, so thank you samsbeauty for sending me over this unit so I can do a review for my loyal babies, aka subscribers, okay? And this one is the same line as the one I'm wearing, which is the cross part lace wig, except this is the style curly and this is the style yaki. Okay, so if you weren't really into the big curly hair for the summer, I have another alternative. So for these wigs, it is the cross part, aka the vixen lace wig. Y'all know how I feel about that. I'm not really too keen on it because it's just a lot, and I can do the same thing with the lace frontal. So why don't y'all just make a lace frontal? Like, I keep saying it over and over and over. Y'all keep making more of these vixen lace wigs. Just make a lace frontal, baby girl, okay? So just like this unit, if you saw this review already for this unit, the baby hairs are real strong in this one. They're not baby hairs anymore. These are adult hairs. They got the adult hairs going on. Same construction with the cross parting. 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, adjustable straps. So I got this one in the color T1B/99J. You know 99J is just a really dark purple. This one is actually, it's mixed with some, yeah. I suppose 99J is a really dark burgundy. This one is mixed with some purples and whatnot in here, which is, that's different. That's odd. I've never seen a 99J like that, so that's really different. So that's actually nice. This isn't, I guess, this isn't really yaki to me. So that's the first mark that's missing. It's not a yaki texture. If you could consider this yaki, it's really light yaki. This would be like if somebody that was mixed pressed their hair out. This is how it would flow. This is not, for me, yaki is more so African American textured, like blowout hair. So I was worried about that because I really don't like yaki hair, but this one is not yaki. So I'm happy about it, but if you're looking to buy a wig that's yaki, this ain't it, sis. So these wigs, I didn't mention it in the last video, but these wigs are tight. I wouldn't necessarily say they're big head friendly. I have a really small peanut head. I do have a little bit of room, but it's not a lot of room left. And again, here's the crazy baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and take these out because I don't plan on wearing this in any type of style. I do love this color. I'm actually impressed with the color. It's definitely not a 99J though. Like, this is not what I will call a 99J. The bang wig that I reviewed last, that's what I would call a 99J. So I'm going to brush that out along with these baby hairs. It's just not necessary. The baby hairs are more yaki than this wig, okay? I have the combs placed in the back. I do like the double combs. I think that it's really like secure now. Like, my wig is secure in the back. Like, it's gonna be no lifting, nothing. Like, they do have baby hairs in the back too. These baby hairs just are not necessary at all. These baby hairs being so curly and then this unit is so straight, it's just weird to me. I didn't get a lot of shedding at all, I will say that. So let's see, the length is it's a reasonable length. She's about 18 inches long. No snags at all. Like, I'm impressed. There's no snags at all. If I laid the baby hairs, this would be a really nice go out wig. It's not super shiny. There is some indentation from packaging, but that's whatever. These baby hairs could legit be bangs. And I can't even find the parting anymore. So that's my complaint about these vixen part wigs, is once you take the bows out, your part is lost. Like, it's no more coming back from it. And these baby hairs they're just obnoxious. Why would you make the baby hairs curly on a straight unit? That doesn't make any sense to me. Anyway, I'm not feeling this. If you can tell, I'm not feeling this line. Everything I review from this line, it's like it's either bad or okay. And I'm just not feeling it. I don't know what direction they were going in. But hopefully they watch this video and take my advice with what I am giving them. This is the second wig that I got from them where it was false advertising. This was called a yaki. It's not yaki. The other wig that I got from them was that full lace unit that was supposed to be full lace. It wasn't even fully hand tied because there were some tracks like starting in the back here. So it was false advertisement, and this is the second time I feel like I've been duped because I was expecting a yaki unit. Even though I don't really care for yaki, that's not my viewers might like yaki. So if I'm coming to them with a yaki wig, then it should be yaki what I'm selling them. Okay, so but like the one thing I love about this unit is the color. The color is good. Anyway, tell me what you think about it. Let me know down in the comment section your thoughts about this line so far. Tell me what you think. I appreciate y'all's honesty. Let me know. I think Sam's Beauty would appreciate the honesty. Our Style Plus, they would appreciate your honesty too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also follow me and Sam's Beauty on Instagram. All those links will be down in the description box below. Thank you.